complete Airtable management tutorial. Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can get started with project management on Airtable. Now, Airtable is an online tool that helps you in collaborating with your team as well as creating a workspace that can help you in ensuring that you're able to fulfill all of your tasks on time. Simply head on over to Airtable and click on sign up for free to get started. Now, once you click on sign up for free, you can proceed with your email address over here. And once you put in your work email, click on continue. After that, you are going to enter your full name as well as a secure password for your account. Click on continue over here. And once you do, your Airtable account will now be created. From here, you're going to specify what type of team you are on, as well as any type of coworkers you might have or employees you might have. You can add them onto your team. I'm going to skip this currently. And just like that, once we've done that, we can start naming our app. So this is going to be particular for our retail management. And then I'm going to be using a light pink color, and I'll use this flower icon and then click on next. And then for this, let's say this is going to be for our project management. Then click on next, and after that, you are going to choose what you want. So we want OKRs, which basically allow us to manage our objective, key results as well. Then we also have budgeting tools if we do include a budget. We also have programs as well as projects, tasks, and risks. You can also add your own customized project. So we're not going to be doing that, but we're just going to click on next. And these three are the basic functionalities that you would require for most to all project management tools. After that, you can add a particular template. So you guys can see you can send a scheduled digest at 9 a.m. on Mondays, email a summary of updates. You can also collect status updates from project owners, as well as track and assign tasks. So we're just going to click on finish over here to complete our Airtable setup. And just like that, our first workspace or application has now been created with Airtable. So from here, we're just going to click on get started. And on the left, you will see your overview. This is just about Airtable. Then after that, you have your projects. Below that, you also have tasks, and there is going to be some sample data. So I'm just going to select this, and we can choose to delete this as well, like so. We have quite a few different tools in this, but I'm just going to leave that for now. Go into projects. Then I'm just going to take the projects that have been created, and then I can just click on over here and add my new project. I'm going to firstly click on publish, and I'm going to publish the interface. And once I've done that, I can go on ahead, click on add project over here, and I'll add my first project name. So let's say this is going to be for my cleansing balm development. And then I can add a description as well as a start date and an end date for that particular project. So let's say it is going to be 2 months or 1 month. After that, you can choose the status of any project. So let's say that this is going to be in progress. And then you can also choose a project lead. So I'll add myself as the lead, and this is going to be a high priority project. After that, you can also choose a particular end result that you are working towards for this project. So let's say I want to publish new product on ecom store. That's the end result that we are looking for. So we can choose to add that, and then we can also add tasks as well. But I'm just going to click on create for now. And just like that, our task has been created. From here, I can click on open to provide more details about each individual task. So we're going to go back into our projects, and in that, we can also click on view data to view the key data that is provided for each individual project. Now, if you want, you can link certain tasks within the project interface. So for retail management, you guys can see on the top left, you have objectives. Then we have our key results. Then we also have our quarters, projects, and tasks. Now, because Airtable is such a highly detailed tool, it allows us to create these interfaces that are going to be unique to each section. So from here, I can go on ahead and choose to start creating my own individual tasks that are related to my product development. So I want to maybe choose base material like this, and then I'm just going to remove the description. Let's say I don't want this field. I can hide this field from here. If you want, you will also see any field that is hidden on the top. Then after that, I can choose the status of my task as well as the priority of the individual task. Now, after that, if you scroll to the right, you will also see the project that it is linked to. And then you can also click on Add to add more details about each individual task in the form of columns. Now, with these data connections, it's going to be easier to manage multiple different types of projects at once. And you will see that this is one project. And if I want, I can delete that project like so. With the sample project, you can just, you can choose to select them all together, but there is no bulk feature that can, remove all data, but it can just remove the cell data like so. And then you can just move your own project towards the top. Now I am going to open this in a Kanban view. So I'm going to click on Kanban and click on create new view. And then I want to choose my stacking field. So I want the stacking to be based upon the status. So this is currently in progress. And then after that, I can view the project and details. Now I'm going to go into tasks and I will start adding my tasks like so. So let's say I have to design a product image, and then I can go on ahead and provide details, add a due date, end date, status, as well as project. So we're going to open that up, and then we're just going to link our project, add our priorities, and just select them from the dropdown. And you will see, because these are interlinked, your data is going to be completely synced up. And for the templates, I do recommend before you set everything up, you can click on clear data to clear all data that is present within these tables. And then once you do that, you can simply click on share and sync your data all together. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with project management using Airtable. Now, because this is such a detailed and versatile tool, I most certainly do think that Airtable has a lot of value that it can provide you, especially if you choose to upgrade on Airtable. You really can get access to highly customizable features that you're not going to find on a lot of standard project managers. And if you do want to upgrade, you can simply choose a plan or use their free 14-day trial to check out the features and whether or not they suit you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.